Hi, I am Legacy Media Rocks Entertainment. Today, I am playing Big Brother Season 3. We have full casts. The source casts are Roblox Bubblegum Simulator, YouTube, Microsoft Agent, Operating System, Malware, SMG4, and First Touch Games. Okay, let's start. Starting with no commentary until week 10. Wow, that's so close. let's see who have many casts, have head of household and golden/silver power of veto. Ace, power of veto. 1. Asapogs, head of household. 1. Azure Entertainment, head of household and power of veto. 1. Better Fish, head of household and power of veto. 1. Barnsey Kill, power of veto. 1. Dr. Putis, head of household and power of veto. 1. Dream League Soccer 2023, head of household. 1. Power of veto. 2. Mijo_games, head of household and power of veto. 1. Sigma 30 channel, head of household. 3. Power of veto. 1. Sonic Fan 08, head of household. 1. Anyway, moving on to final head of household. Sigma 30 channel wins the first part of the final head of household competition. Azure wins the second part of the final head of household competition. Sigma 30 channel and Azure compete for final head of household. Sigma 30 channel wins the final head of household competition. Oddbang DLS23 is evicted. Time to the final. The final two, Azure and Sigma 30 channel, give opening statements to the jury. The jury asks the finalists questions before they vote for the winner. Alright, who's the winner? Azure Entertainment? Sigma 30 channel? Okay, here we go. The winner of Legacy Media Rocks Entertainment plays Big Brother is... Sigma 30 channel. Congratulations, Sigma 30 channel. You are the winner of Legacy Media Rocks Entertainment plays Big Brother Season 3. For runner-up, it can be promoted to Media Rocks Entertainment Big Brother Season 12. Anyway, let's see who's the America's favorite. The America's favorite is... Better Fish is voted by America as their favorite juror. Well done, Better Fish. But you are not in America's favorite promotion. Sorry. Here's the result. Promotion, Sigma 30 channel is winner, Azure Entertainment is runner-up. Other placement, Dream League Soccer 2023 is third place, Mijo_games is fourth place. Barnsey Kill is 5th place, SMG3 is 6th place, Ace is 7th place, Asapogs is 8th place. Dr. Putis is 9th place, Better Fish, America's favorite is 10th place, Sonic Fan 08 is 11th place, and Windows 11 is 12th place. Okay, that's all for now. See you in Season 4. Bye for now.